Right, so our board is already looking so much better, but in this video I wanted to show you how to change the background because this is a really cool feature of Trello. So you do need business class or Trello Gold to change the background. However, Trello do have a trial which you can just sign up for 14 days, add your backgrounds, and then let the trial expire if that's the road that you want to take. For our business, we do continue with the paid version of Trello because it's that good. We just love it so much. But anyway, I'm going to jump in to show you how to do this. It's really simple. So in the top right corner, top right corner, click Show Menu, and it'll look like this. Click Change Background. Now you can select from a range of photos or colors, or you can upload your own. So I'm going to upload a stock image, which I love. It's just uploading. And beautiful, that has applied. Great, how good does that look? It's so much more me. So yeah, I hope this helps.